Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to write documentation with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can make documenting your code faster and more efficient. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start writing your code, or open an existing code base where you want to add documentation using Codeium. As you write your code, Codeium can help generate documentation comments automatically. Start typing your comments and Codeium will suggest documentation based on the code context. To insert a suggested documentation comment, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will add the comment template, including placeholders for parameters, return values, and descriptions. Use Codeium to add doc strings to functions, methods, and classes. These doc strings can describe the purpose of the code, its parameters, and its return values, making your code easier to understand and maintain. Codeium can also help you format your documentation according to common standards like Java Doc, Doxygen, or Sphinx. Ensure that your documentation style is consistent throughout your code base. Review and edit the generated documentation to fit your needs. While Codeium provides a great starting point, you might need to adjust the comments to match your specific code and documentation standards. Integrate Codeium's documentation features with your code review process. Make sure your documentation is reviewed alongside your code to ensure accuracy and completeness. To customize Codeium's documentation suggestions, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the level of detail and format used for documentation comments. Regularly update your documentation as your code evolves. Use Codeium's suggestions to keep your comments accurate and relevant as you make changes to your code. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use and write documentation with Codeium. This tool can help you create clear and comprehensive documentation quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.